Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Medicare enrollment steps with GoHealth, full guides. To begin the Medicare enrollment process with GoHealth, visit the official GoHealth website. Locate the Get Started or Medicare Enrollment button on the homepage. Click the button to initiate the enrollment process. You will be prompted to enter your zip code for personalized information. After entering your zip code, click Continue to proceed. Next, you will need to provide your date of birth and other personal information. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid processing delays. Once your information is submitted, you will be taken to a page detailing your Medicare options. Review the plan choices available based on your profile. Click on any plan to see additional details, including coverage options and premium costs. If you find a suitable plan, click the Enroll Now button associated with that option. You may need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to complete the enrollment form. Be prepared to provide necessary documentation, such as your Medicare number if applicable. Review your application for any errors before submitting. Once submitted, you should receive a confirmation of your enrollment. You may also want to explore additional resources available on the GoHealth website for further assistance. If you have questions, customer support is available to help you through the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.